What's up guys, it's Nathan from Jack Garage, and if you guys have been following my channel, you'd know that I have a little bit of experience in making carbon parts. And this episode is going to be no different. In true Jack fashion, we've been kitting out my E46 in some homemade carbon. Next in line is the hood. We're going to see if we can use this, and some of this to make this hood as light as possible. So the stock hood is weighing in at 20 kgs. Let's see how light we can make the carbon one. So Joey is busy spraying the mist coat first, and then you'll go on with the heavier coat afterwards. Seems like our curve goes too far, so we're going to tighten this curve up, and then that should make it look a little bit more aggressive. And Joey's now going to reshape these corners, and then we'll carry on from there. Joey did modify the power bulge here, and it looks so much better. Very, very happy with the way it looks. So yeah, we're going to start polishing the pattern now, and we'll be moving on to the flange.
It's actually an opportunity for members of parliament to actually digest.
Test fitting the hood just to make sure everything lines up. Clear was thinned, and as you can see, it led to runs. So the carbon hood is finally complete, and I'm so stoked with how it came out. So this hood is coming in at 2.8 kgs, which is just over 17 kgs lighter than the original hood, weighing in at 20 kgs. We did what we set out to do, so I reckon this has been a big success. A huge shout out to the Jack Garage team, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of this content. Peace.